Hello children, let us start our new topic, Roman numerals. Now let us look at the introduction of Roman numerals. Roman numerals are a numeral system that originated in ancient Rome and remain the usual way of writing numbers throughout Europe well into the late Middle Ages. Numbers in this system are represented by combinations of letters. Let us see where Roman numbers are used. Roman numbers are used in some analog clocks and watches to name the classrooms in the schools for the copyright date on films, programs, etc. Here I have written 7 basic symbols of Roman numerals and also their Hindu-Arabic numerals. Like for 1, I is used in Roman numbers. For 5, V is used. For 10, X is used. For 50, L is used. For 100, C is used. For 500, D is used. For 1000, M is used. These are basic 7 symbols of Roman numerals I, V, X, L, C, D, M that you have to learn. There are basically 4 rules for forming Roman numerals. Let us discuss all the rules one by one. Rule 1 says, when a Roman numerals is repeated more than once, we add its value each time to get the number. Let us see examples. In example 1, 2 times I is written. 1i is equal to value 1. So, 2i equals to 1 plus 1, that is 2. In example 2, 2 times x is written. 1x is equal to 10. So, 2x equal to 10 plus 10, that is 20. In example 3, 3 times x is written. So, 10 is added 3 times and its value equals to 30. There are some important points that you should remember. Point 1. There is no symbol for 0 in the Roman system. Point 2. The same symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Point 3. The symbols V, L and D are never repeated. Rule 2. When a smaller Roman number is written to the right of a greater Roman numeral, the value of the greater numeral is added to the smaller numeral. Let us see examples. In example 1, Vi is written. V represents 5 and I represents 1. So, I is the smaller symbol and it is written to the right of a greater numeral V. So, value of V is added to the value of I, that is 5 plus 1 equals to 6. In example 2, 2 i's are written on the right of x. Similarly, value of x is added to the 2 values of I. So, it is 10 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 12. In example 3, there are 3x, 1 5 and 1 I is written. Smaller numbers are written to the right of greater numbers. So, value of greater numerals added to smaller and it is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1, that is 36. Rule 3. When a smaller Roman numeral is written to the left of a greater Roman numeral, it is always subtracted from the value of the greater numeral. Let us see examples. In example 1, IV are written. I equals to 1 and V equals to 5. Since smaller numeral written on the left, so it is subtracted from greater numeral, that is 5 minus 1 equals to 4. In example 2, I and X are written. Same as example 1. I is written on the left of X, which is the smaller numeral. So, it is subtracted from the value of X, that is 10 minus 1 equals to 9. There are some important points that you should remember after rule 3. Point 1. Symbol I can be subtracted only once. Point 2. The symbols V, L and D are never subtracted. Rule 4. When a smaller Roman numeral is placed between two greater Roman numerals, then its value is subtracted from the value of greater numeral on its right. Let us see examples. In example 1, X, I, X are written. X equals to 10 and I equals to 1. Since I is smaller numeral and it is placed between two greater numerals, its value is subtracted from X on its right, that is equal to 10. So, X, I, X equals to 10 plus 10 minus 1, which is equal to 19. In example 2, 2x, 1i and 1v are written. I is smallest among them and it is placed between x and v. Its value is subtracted from the value of numeral on its right, that is v, which is equal to 5. So, x, I, v equal to 10 plus 10 plus 5 minus 1, which is equal to 20 plus 4, 24. Children, in this table, I have written Roman numerals from 1 to 50. You have to learn and write these Roman numerals in your notebook. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.